Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have some really interesting devices for you guys, two devices that I recently picked up from Amazon, and I'm really excited to share them with you guys. These two devices are going to make your life super easy when it comes to your beauty routine. So if you're interested, keep watching, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, Amazon has the Great Republic Day sale coming up from 17 January 2022, and for Prime members the sale starts one day early, that is on 16th January, and the sale will have big savings for everyone. So make sure you have your carts ready, and the products that I'm going to show to you today, the links are going to be in the description box, and you can always add them to your cart, wait for the sale to start, and then quickly purchase them. So without further ado, let's get started. First device that I'm going to show you is the Braun Face. Now this is a tiny little device which is great for facial hair removal. This is basically a mini hair remover for your face. Just has, it's just this one device. Take off the cap like that. There's only one on and off button here. You just twist it, the light goes on, and the device on top, like there's this shaver on top. This is basically a shaver for your hair, like a mini facial shaver that you can carry in your purse wherever you go. Especially if you're traveling for a few days, you definitely need something like this. Hair around the upper lip, and side locks sometimes, and the middle of the brows, anywhere on your face actually. You can just switch it on and do this. The light also helps you in taking a good look at the skin and removing the finest of hair. And okay, so remember that this is not an epilator for your face, so it's not going to pluck out the hair. It's more like a shaver, an electric shaver that removes all the hair from the surface. It does not pluck out your hair. It is an ideal device for people who are on the go always and need something for quickly cleaning up tiny hairs over the face. It retails for somewhere around 2000 rupees, but I got it on discount on Amazon somewhere around 1600 rupees. So make use of the Great Republic Day sale coming up and get this at a great discount. Don't forget to add this to your cart. The link is going to be in the description box down below. Next thing that I have is an automatic hair curler, and I think everybody needs something like that in their life. I'm going to quickly show you a demo. This is the device that I'm talking about, and it is a generic automatic hair curler. This is a wireless USB auto curler, and this is what it looks like. This is what I got inside the box. It comes with its own tail comb and two section clips, but it has this panel over here which tells you the temperature and time, battery, how long the battery will last, and there's an on and off button, temperature settings here, and this is the button which you press and the device goes like so. That's how it curls your hair. So I'm going to quickly show you a section, comb out any knots that may be there. You place a section like this, and then you turn it on, and as you can see, my hair is inside. So I have taken out the section, and you can see the results. This section is very nicely curled, and it did not take any effort from my side. So you can see here, this is not curled and this has been curled. If I put on some hairspray, it's going to stay on for longer. I think this is a really good investment when it comes to a hair curling device, because we all need something like this where you don't need to keep rotating your wrists and wrapping your hair around the device and then waiting for it to heat up. This also does not transmit any heat on your hands, so it's very safe to use, and anybody can use it without so it beeped now. Anybody can use it without burning your face, your hair, and burning your hands, and you don't really need to do anything. And I love the results that you can see over here. To insert clippings here. Right now I'm slightly out of battery on this one. Oh yes, and this is a USB chargeable device, so you can charge it anywhere on the go. Really, there's no specific charger that you need for it, although it comes with its own charging cable. So overall, a really useful device, and it retails for somewhere around I got it on discount for somewhere around 1600 again. Both these devices, they costed me somewhere around 3000 rupees in total, and I think these are a really good investment when it comes to, you know, curling your hair and removing your facial hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. Links to both of the products are going to be in the description box down below, and don't forget to make good use of the Amazon Republic Day sale. These are going to be at even better discounts online. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.